Hi guys, I just wanted to show you what you're going to be doing today. So in Google Classroom, this is what I posted today. All right, it says, please go to classwork under Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian paragraph. I made a new little category, and you will be doing the pre-writing assignment today. Please watch the video, which is this video, and complete the pre-writing. If you have any questions or comments, post here, okay? And I'll be checking them. So let's do it. Go to classwork. Look, the paragraph section I was talking about. All right, I put materials in here, but you don't need to look at those yet. So go to the pre-writing and open it up. Now, pre-writing is just like brainstorming before we start the paragraph. So I don't even want you guys to think about paragraph or structure or periods or grammar or anything yet, okay? Because I just want you to start thinking about ideas that you can write about. So we have read some of the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian and have met a few of the characters. From what we have read so far, what character do you relate to the most? So start thinking about this. Is it Junior? That's the main character telling the story. Is it Rowdy, his best friend, or Mary, his sister? Now, what I want you guys to do down here is make some notes about the similarities that you have with these characters. All right, so you could put Junior has glasses. So do I. Okay, he likes cartoons. I draw too. See how I'm not doing complete sentences? I'm just taking notes. That's what I want you guys to do. Then scroll down a little bit more. After you've taken all these notes, I want you to look back at what you've typed and think about which character do you have the most in common with? Well, from what I wrote, it looks like Junior. Okay? And that's all we're doing today. All right, guys, we're just brainstorming. And then once you're done with that, you'll go back and make sure that it's turned in here. Okay? Thanks, guys. Happy late start day.